To get started, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document with the correct size and resolution for your business card. You can do this by going to File New and selecting the appropriate options. We recommend using a resolution of at least 300 dpi to ensure your business card looks sharp and crisp. Next, you'll want to start designing your business card. Are you looking for a tutorial on how to create a professional business card using Adobe Illustrator? Look no further than this step-by-step guide, perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. You'll start by setting up your document with the correct size and resolution, then move on to designing your card using a combination of text, shapes, and graphics. You'll also get tips and tricks for making your business card stand out from the crowd, including using color, typography, and other design elements. This can be done using a combination of text, shapes, and graphics. You can create shapes using the Shape tool, which can be found in the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. To add text, select the Type tool and click on your artboard to create a text box. You can then format your text using the options in the character and paragraph panels, which can be found under the Window menu. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use Adobe Illustrator to create a custom business card from scratch. Whether you're looking to create a business card for yourself, a client, or your company, this tutorial has everything you need to get started. You'll learn how to use Illustrator's powerful tools to create and manipulate shapes, add and format text, and import graphics to use in your design. Once you have your basic design in place, you can start adding some finishing touches to make your business card stand out. This could include using color, typography, and other design elements to create a cohesive and eye-catching design. When you're happy with your design, it's time to save and export your business card. You can do this by going to File Save As and selecting the appropriate file type and resolution. We recommend saving your file as a PDF or high-resolution PNG to ensure your business card looks great both on screen and in print. With a little bit of practice and experimentation, you'll be creating amazing business cards in no time. So fire up Illustrator and let's get designing. Thanks for watching.